Hello everyone, my name is Lavish Mehta. Welcome back to Creative Flash. So in today's video, we are actually gonna see some of the top five. We are gonna see some of the top 5 RC stores available in India that can provide you the most iconic FPV racing drone parts. So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first site I'm going to tell you about is Robu.in. It is a very special site from, I think it's from Pune, and it does not deals with RC hobby only, but it provides all types of robotic parts from, all that kind of robotic stuff to flying drones. Every type of single part is available at their stores. So if you want to check out about Robu.in, I'll give the link in the description down below. The next site I'm going to show you about is FPV Inside. Now this is a pretty much, I think, a new site in India. I have using this site from, I think, last 6 months, and till today I have no problems with the site. Every product I buy from them comes perfectly packaged, in perfect condition, and everything is perfect with the site. So if you want to purchase things from them, it could be a better option for you guys too. So link in description for the site, you can check it out by yourself. The next site I'm going to talk is Quadkopters.in. Now this is a pretty much, I think, a very good site for radio control parts, because they usually purchase all the materials from, I think, directly from the manufacturer, due to which all the products at Quadkopters.in is provided at a very low cost. So it could be a better option for you guys. Now the next site is, I think, pretty much the most famous and the most iconic site of radio control hobby in India, and they only deal with FPV racing drone parts, and the name of the site is annubisrc.com. It is also known by the name of gettbs.com, and I think this site is pretty much awesome because they provide most iconic FPV parts in India, and all the parts from them are just amazing. They provide every type of thing from Radio Master TX to TBS Tango 2 to Crossfire. Everything is available at there. So if you want to check about them, the link is also given in the description. So last but not the least, the most legendariest, so mark my words, this is the most legendarious RC website on India, and it's known by its name, RC Mumbai. As its name suggests, it's from Mumbai, and it is being run by a technology company which is known to be as Akshatech. So Akshatech provide usually all types of radio control parts from direct China to India, and I think the services provided by this site is pretty much awesome, and they have, I think, the most vast collection of radio control parts in India, and they always provide most iconic parts. And if you want to check out them, the link will be given in the description. This was today's video, guys. If you liked my video, please like, share, subscribe. If you want to have any other type of queries for radio control hobby, please do let me comment please do give me a comment. A new video is coming soon about different types of premium RC products in Indian market. So stay tuned, stay creative, stay safe. Meet you at the next video.